Well, just because we live in a dry climate here in Arizona doesn't mean that we can't have problems with mold and mildew. So how do you get rid of it? The Queen of Clean knows. Linda Cobb is here with some great information, not only to get rid of it, but to get rid of it for good.
Absolutely.
That's the hard part.
It is. It really is. So first I want to start with some homemade kind of things that you can use.
Okay.
And we know that with these things, they're going to get rid of it, but they're not going to keep it on. They're going to have to keep coming back and doing it. So the first one is tea tree oil. Now that's an antimicrobial, antibacterial. You can buy this on Amazon.com, at drugstores, health food stores. You're going to take 2 cups of warm water, put it in a sprayer, couple of teaspoons of tea tree oil.
And where do you get tea tree oil?
Grocery stores.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Okay.
Drugstores, any place like that.
Easy to find, okay.
Yes, and the smell is amazing.
Oh, good.
So you're going to actually spray it on, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then go back in and scrub it off.
All right, because mildew does not smell good.
No,
so this will actually
it definitely
make it smell better and get rid of it.
A lot of people have that black stuff in their showers and all over, and I get asked all the time about it. Now, everybody's go-to is bleach. Now, we all know this is very hazardous because the fumes will bleach your towels, your carpet, anything out. It doesn't even have to splash on it. I did that once to a towel.
Oh.
So, I know. What you're going to do is take a quart of water, half cup of liquid chlorine bleach, and carefully spray it on and work it in with a brush to remove it. Use adequate ventilation, use old clothes that you don't mind having color taken out.
So that's about a 3-to-1
It
ratio?
is roughly a 3-to-1
Okay,
ratio.
and be careful about getting it on your skin.
Oh my
too,
goodness,
because it will
yeah.
burn.
You know, you want to wear rubber gloves, and I recommend goggles, and really seriously.
Wow, okay.
So, all right, vodka, not so serious, and if you're cleaning with vodka, do you really care if it works? I don't think so.
Well, it depends on if you're drinking and then cleaning.
That's right, that's
Okay.
exactly right. And maybe it looks like it works better if you do drink. So you're going to take pure vodka, because what is it? It's very, very high alcohol content. Spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, spray it again, and then rub it off. It will do a good job on your caulking and places like
Oh,
that.
so just straight, huh? No,
Straight
you don't have to mix
vodka.
that with water. Okay.
A drink for you, a little for the mold and mildew.
One for the shower, one for me. I like it. That's my
Now,
way of cleaning.
I like that one. This is a new product that I found. I've been testing it for a year, and I love it. It's Endurance. Now, let me say right up front, you can find this at Amazon.com.
Oh, you
Google
can't get it at the grocery store?
No,
Okay.
this is a new product, and the best thing about it is it's a two-parter. So not only does it get rid of the mold and mildew, it keeps it from coming back.
Oh.
So what you're going to do is you're going to use your clean and prep. You're going to spray it on, let it sit about 5 minutes. Go in and either brush it or scrub it. Make sure you have all the mold and mildew off, and this works very, very fast to take it off. Then you're going to rinse that off, dry it. You're going to go in with the Endurance barrier product. You're going to lightly mist it onto your shower door, the crevices. You can even use it outside if you have mold and mildew on your flagstones.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Especially in the shady areas. But this is what's going to keep it from
This
coming back.
is the good
Okay.
thing. Spray this on lightly. It leaves no residue buildup that is visible, but it will keep the mold and mildew from coming back for up to or beyond 6 months.
Okay. Now I recognize these two as being like, you know, the staples of your cleaning
They
supplies.
really are. Now this one is for if you have mold and mildew and it's a little bit harder to get off and you don't want to just spray it on, take some baking soda, put it in a dish, add some chlorine bleach to it so it's kind of like a white school glue. You're going to spread that on, let it sit, and then brush it in. And you can let it sit for a few hours even, or overnight, and then rinse. But remember, again, rubber gloves, adequate ventilation. Chlorine bleach is a hazardous chemical.
All right.
And last but not least, if you have just little spots of mold and mildew, first of all, lucky you. But second of all, use your bleach pen. Dab it on to that black or pink mold and mildew, and you're good to go.
All right, there you go. Lots of great tips. She's got tons of books out there, and we have a link to her website on ours, sonoranliving.com. Good job, Ed.
You know, if you spray